So today we will be learning how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. First we have to click on calendar. After clicking that we have to click on the plus sign. Then in title we have to add the respective title. For example, here I am writing online class 16th March 2021. So after that we have to share this meeting to a respective channel. So down we have to click on share channel, and for example here I am creating a meeting in channel 6th ABC. So there I will be selecting general of DBSK meetings and notice 6th ABC. After clicking on general you can see that it has been selected. Now we have to select the time. That's the meeting will start at 11:30 AM and it will end at 12:30 PM. We have to set the time. Okay, after setting the time we have to add the description regarding the session, that which chapter is there, what is the topic. So we have to write here the subject and the chapter which is to be taught in the respective session. After that we have to click on the right sign which is there on the topmost right. Again you can see that all the things are being there properly, that is the title, the channel, the time and the description. After all checking all these things, again you can see there is a right tick mark sign in the right hand side near the new event. We have to click on that right tick mark so that it is our meeting is scheduled. Now when you refresh you can see the meeting is being generated, and then you have to click on that and you have to join the meeting. Okay, so after joining the meeting, how to make, first we will learn how to create a setting that only you can do the presenting work. So for doing this, again you have to come back to the Teams in which you created a meeting. Then you can see there is a purple bar behind your name, below your name, online class, where it is written. You have to click on that. After clicking that you have to click on meeting options. You can see there is written meeting options. You have to click on meeting options. Then you have to select who can present. So there what happens, by default there everyone is written. See, you can see there is a third last thing, who can present. You have to click on that drop box and you have to do that only me. After that you have to switch off the allow reactions mode and then you have to save. It is being done. Now the meeting is properly generated. You are the organizer and you have to make other teachers the presenter. So how to make the presenter, that I will be telling you now. Like for example, here I have to make the person a presenter. So what I will do, I will click on a plus sign, then I will click on the name of the respective teacher. Then again there will be a box appear. We have to click on make a presenter, then we have to click on change. So in this way the respective teachers become the presenter. That how we have to make a presenter. So after that now we have to end the meeting. So how to end the meeting? First you have to make sure that each and everyone is being removed from the meeting. Only you are there. Okay, so after everyone has left the meeting, then what you have to do, simply you first have to click on the red button. After clicking on red button, again you have to come to the Teams channel and you have to drop down, click on the purple bar and you have to select the cancel event option. So by doing this the meeting is cancelled. Thank you so much.